customers first. And our goal is to get a truck there within 90 minutes, the time the call comes in.
Anytime you call Beacon Plumbing, you get somebody in our actual dispatch office, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There's somebody there to answer the calls.
From basically Arlington or a little past Arlington down past Olympia. So anywhere along the I-5 corridor, Beacon Plumbing is going to provide service.
Each technician here has mastered their field. The knowledge that Beacon Plumbing has as a whole is going to be hundreds of years of knowledge combined.
Every person in this company that's out in the plumbing truck is certified.
All our techs are licensed for their particular field.
Well, the community gives to us. I think it's important that we give back to the community, whether it's charitable events or whether it's taking a portion off of the bill so that a family can have something to eat. If it's related to a pipe or to a plumbing fixture, Beacon Plumbing does it.
No job's too big or too small. Residential, commercial, we do it all.